Hello, welcome back to my channel and good evening because in here is 4 p.m. Uh, Let me introduce myself. My name is Adam Zain. I'm from Surabaya. Uh, right now I will introduce about this thing, soul of human. This is called digital tension meter, and it's been used for to test how much your systole and diastole, and I borrow it from my friend, and so let's begin. Okay, as you see right here, the mark is Citizen, and she says, my friend said it costs 40,100 rupiah, and as you see can here there is this and the tension. Okay, so right now I will teach you how to use it. Okay, first you can wear this thing at your arms and like this. Make sure it been placed at your nadi. Okay. Oh no, I'm wrong. Wait. Make sure it's placed in here, and after that you see it here. And pull it and like this, and done. And then second, you can place it here to tensionmeter, this cable to tensionmeter, and press start, and after that he will show you and we will begin like this, and it will stop if it is enough, and oh, it's not enough. Good. And wait for that, and after that he will show you something. Wait a minute. And my systole is for 131 and my diastole is 84, and it's been normal because the normal systole is 120 and 80, and I think this is not normal, but I'm sorry, I will correct this. This is not normal, it's too high because the normal is 120 and 80, then the diastole is 80. So that's all about this thing, and thank you for watching this, and buy this if you have parents who need this, because you don't need to go to doctor if you want to test him, to test your parent maybe, or test somebody else, but make sure you have it in your house, because I think this will be needed in the future. So thank you for watching, and leave your like, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to if you have any question about me, you can text me to adamalfatan98@gmail.com, or you can call me at 081 0889426450. So thank you about that, and thank you.